Hi guys, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we'll start session. Yeah, sorry for delay. Yeah, due to some was delayed today. Yes, due to some link issue, some delay. Yes, let us start session. Yes, many are facing issues. Many are contacting me. Okay, let us start session. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, this video link daily change.
No, will not change. Same link. Yes, weekly once changing this is. Weekly
But
same link.
but I am trying to join from last day link. It's not
Yesterday
connected.
link.
Huh.
Yesterday's link.
Yes, sir.
No, so yesterday this was the link yesterday. Same link yesterday.
No, sir.
I
Hello.
that's okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Tell me. 6 to end at the end. Same link yesterday's link also. Yes, I have
Okay,
joined yesterday's link only.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
But every
Yes.
day register wala.
Yes. You have to register till Saturday only. Next week not necessary because he said go to training. So every day you have to. Yes, till Saturday. From Monday onwards, when new link changes, that time not necessary. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, only this week. Only this week you have to register every day. From Monday onwards, not necessary. When link changes, new link changes, not necessary. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So let us start session. See, one thing still. Yes, if anyone unable to, if anyone unable to hear me, yes, rejoin the session. Just rejoin. Rejoin the session. Just rejoin the session. Yes, today is second day. Yes, first day, yesterday's class we'll discuss. Let me review yesterday's class. Maybe I think some new members today. Let me review yesterday's class. Yes, 5 p.m. 20th December, day 1. See, yesterday's recording also saved. Yes, I'll share this. Today, yes, yesterday's recording and today's recording, both I'll share it today. So yesterday's one, day 1. This is day 1. Day 1. Yes, yesterday. Today, first day. Yes, yesterday what we discussed about me, about course, next about prerequisite and course contents. These things we have discussed yesterday. These things discussed. See about me introduction. This is okay. Yes, about me introduction. This is this is Nageshwara, 23 years of experience. Java, Big Data, Hadoop and Linux, Python area. Yes, presently working for this company. Celitech Private Limited. Yes, presently client Volkswagen. 18 projects completed. 19th project for Volkswagen clients. Yes, out of 19 projects, 2 projects on embedded C, 12 projects on Java. Yes, 4 projects on Big Data and Hadoop. 19th project, current project started in the last month. Yes, this is Volkswagen client. Now presently work from home. Work from home. Yes, my role is solution architect. Yes, not only is development experience, even training also good experience. Okay. Yes, about course. Yeah, this is required for you. New guys. Core Java. Yes, duration 3 months, 90 days, 90 days. Session duration 1 hour and 30 minutes. Exactly 1 hour 30 minutes. Yesterday little bit late started class due to some link issue. Yes, sessions 75 sessions, 90 days, 75 sessions, 115 hours totally getting. Yes, the time 5 to 6:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday classes, no doubt. Monday to Saturday. Only Sunday holiday. Yes, only 5,000 rupees is offer fees actually. Previously it was yes, it's offer. Previously it was yes, it was 7,000. Just given yes, why offer given here? Many students are requesting me. Sir, please reduce the fees. Yes, there are many students are requesting. So based on that, just I have changed. Reduced. Okay. Certificate also provided. Okay, 3 to 4 demo classes, free classes. You can see. After that, you can decide it. Okay. Yes, recordings, daily recordings shared to your Gmail ID. Okay, validity for 1 year. Validity for yeah, this is about your course. Course hour, duration 3 months. Today new members. Yesterday's topic just little bit repeating. First 10 minutes I'll repeat yesterday's topic. First 10 minutes. Course hour, duration 3 months, 90 days. Session duration 1 hour and 30 minutes, 5 to 6:30. Exactly 1.5 hour. Number of sessions 75 sessions, 115 hours. Same Monday to Saturday classes. Okay. Yes, even I'll show that recently completed batch. 8:30 a.m. completed recently. 8:30 a.m. recording 78 sessions were taken. See this. 6th September started. 6th September started. 5th December completed. Exactly 3 months. Even not one day less or more than that. Exactly 3 months. 3 months, 78 sessions. That is my commitment. Okay, 3 months exactly finished and 78 sessions were taken. Okay. Yes, 78 sessions were taken. Yes. So here for our batch time 5 to 6:30, Monday to Saturday classes, only Sunday holiday. Yes. Fees this much. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Next step. See, certificate also provided. Okay. After finishing course, certificate provided. 3 to 4 demo classes you can see. Okay. Yes. Daily recordings. Share it your Gmail ID just within 1 hour of finishing class. By 8 p.m. you cannot change. So validity for 1 year. See, for you guys, daily recordings, class documents, JDK 8, 9, 11, 13. These softwares also will be sharing with you. Next on Eclipse, apart from the Eclipse. So this is about course. Next, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Yes, nothing required. Nothing required. Non-IT background guys also can understand. Starting with the basics. Finally taking to high end here. By the time of finishing course, yes, you will be in a position to put up minimum 3 to 4 years of experience. Okay, this is guarantee from my side. The thing is you have to practice every day. So what are the course contents? See, JDK is Java software. Totally 4 editions. In 4 editions here, SE, Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition. Next, Mobile Edition and Effect. This is not in use. Here is Java is poor somewhat, so not using here. These two things are using here. Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition. Okay. See, Java Standard Edition, it's a Java technology. Enterprise Edition is a application development. It's application development. Okay. See, SE, this is our syllabus. Java Standard Edition, this is our SE, our syllabus. After finishing SE, next learning Enterprise Edition. Okay. Yes. Our syllabus. First core part of Java. In core part of Java, all the Java fundamentals like data types, operators. Yes, today new guys, try to observe it. Yes. So data types, operators, control statements, language syntax, these things. Control statements like if statement, switch case, do value, while loop, these things. Yes, in this area, totally 100 programs will be covered. 100 programs. Yes, more focus on logic building. More focus on logic building, improving programming skills. Okay, 60 programs will be explaining here. 40 assignments. You have to solve it. You have to solve it. Yes, totally 4 weeks. This topic is totally 4 weeks. Totally 4 weeks. This topic totally 4 weeks. Okay, totally 4 weeks. Okay. Yes, 1 second. Current running batches. See, current running batches assignments. See that 6:30 p.m. batch. Yes, these assignments they are submitting as a see that as daily assignments. Assignments they submitted. Yes, 6:30 p.m. batch. That assignment, see that the guys are submitting as they have submitted assignments one by one. Assignments 6:30 p.m. Yes, 6:30 p.m. Yes, 43 members are there in that batch. 43. Yes, by the end of this week, your batch also will be 40 members. Yes. So this is a 6:30 p.m. This is yes, Hassan. Yes, for you guys also. Every day you have to solve assignments. My class are interactive classes. My class are always interactive classes. Okay, you'll be asking question every time here. So any doubt is there, you can ask me immediately. Okay, even yes, from my side are the questions. Okay. 8:30 a.m. match. This case something. Okay. Yes. So this is 100 programs will be covered. More focus on logic building. Yes, improving program skills. Once you good at programming here, starting jobs. See, first this part to solve 100 programs, more than 100 sometimes. Sometimes even 120 programs also will be discussing. Okay. So this part is I'm taking 1 month. 1 month completely logic building. Complete focus on logic building. So once you good at programming, then starting Java's concepts. Yeah, this area 2 months. Java's concept encapsulation and all this Java's concepts. Java's for 3 weeks only. This is 3 weeks. Next, rest of the time, it's almost 6 weeks. Real-time related concepts here. String buffer, string token, string builder. How to use these things here. Okay, handling strings in different ways. Next, object wrapper classes, exception handling, collections. Yes, main focus on collections. Okay, collections very important. My favorite topic of this is yes, without collections, no Java projects. Every Java project we should use collections compulsory. Very important. Next, driver streams, input output streams, files concept. Okay, see these 2 areas we'll discuss on project, on real-time project, on big data project. Real-time project and data processing. This area we'll discuss on projects. After that, networking, TCP, UDP application development. Next, multi-threading. After finishing multi-threading, version-wise features here. Up to yes, version Java 13, up to Java 13 features. So this is your syllabus. This is your syllabus. Yes, after finishing your course, what you have to learn. Suppose to become a Java developer, yes, enterpriseization you have to learn it. What is enterpriseization? Today we'll discuss. Next, testing Selenium. Okay, testing Selenium, learning testing Selenium, testers, manual testers, learning testing Selenium. Okay. Next, or else you can go to big data. Hadoop and Spark, it's a big data development, big data handling. Yes, or else you can go to Salesforce. Salesforce also you can go to this. Salesforce also Java based. Next, AI, artificial intelligence. This case also Java required. After finishing, yes, core Java, yes, this area you can focus. Yes, this area, any of these things you can learn it here. Okay. Yes. So which field is recommended? Today I'll tell you. Wait. So this is yesterday's class. Okay. Yesterday's class review. Okay. This is your course. 3 months course. Yes, 90 minutes daily, 1 hour 30 minutes, 90 days, 75 sessions, 115 hours class. Monday to Saturday classes. Only Sunday holiday. Okay. Yes, fees 5,000. Okay. Yes. Let us start today topic. Today, second day. Yes. Save. Day 2. Java. 5 p.m. 20th December. Yes, it's day 2. Yes. Yes. Now starting actual classes. Today starting actual classes. Yes, actual class also. Yes, free for next 3 days. No issue. Okay. Actual classes. Free of cost without paying fees you can attend. No issue. After you can decide it. Yes, let us start. Let us start. Yes. So starting Java. Yes, what is Java? First question, what is simple question? Very simple question. Yes, guys, anyone idea what is Java? What is Java? Anyone idea about it? Of course, I'll explain very clearly. What is Java? What is your idea? Yes. Yes, someone saying that programming language. Listening. Programming language. Next, any others? Any others? Yes, Vijay Gaikwad. Object-oriented programming language. Next.
Java is used for robust technology.
Okay. Yes, you can ping in chat box. No issue. 1 second. Let me mute everyone. So getting voice break. Some Java is a language. Nandini. Good. 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 Master of all languages. Next. Any others? Yeah. So what is Java? Let me explain. Java, simple answer. What is Java means? Simple answer. Java is an object-oriented programming language. OOP language. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Okay, what is Java? So what is Java? So what is Java? Simple answer. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented. Okay. Java is an object-oriented programming language. So what is OOP? OOP means object-oriented programming language. Yes. Objects. Yes. Oriented programming language. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. Okay, fine. What is Java means? Simple answer. Very simple answer. So what is Java means? Very simple answer. Yes, it's a object-oriented programming language. Yes, object-oriented programming language. Okay, fine. See, JDK software, actually Java software JDK. JDK stands for, yes, Java, yes, development, Java development kit. JDK stands for Java development kit. Okay. Yes, JDK stands for Java development kit. Yes, JDK, yes, JDK from the Sun Software. JDK from the Sun Software. Sun Software. JDK from the Sun Software. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. It is with Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corp. Okay. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Java Software. What is JDK? Java Development Kit. Yes. JDK from the Sun Software. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Yes, we'll see complete history. Java history we'll discuss. Okay. See JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. Yes, first version of Java. First version of Java. First version of Java. Yes, released. So first version of Java. Yes, released in the year 1995. JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. It's a first version of Java. First version of Java released in the year 1995. 1995. Yes, I know very well that release. Java release I know very well. I think maybe before your birth. Okay. Yes, I think before your birth. Yes, 1995. See, 1995. Yes, what I was doing here. 1995. 1995. I was in engineering second year. I was in engineering second year. Okay. So that time I was learning. Yes, I was learning C language. Learning C language. I was learning C language. Okay. Yes. Before Java coming to the market, already I was there in software field. Started my engineering. Yes, my engineering 1993 to yes 1997. Okay. 1993 to 1997. Yes, computer science engineering. Yes, JNTU Hyderabad campus. At that time, very less number of colleges. That time, yes, AP and TS, AP and Telangana, only 360 seats are there. Yes, that time United Andhra Pradesh, only 360 seats. Computer science engineering, say 1993 to 1997. Computer science engineering, JNTU Hyderabad, year only. Campus, Urpally campus. Okay. Yes, AP and TS. Only 3 seats. Yes, here open category. Yes. I don't have any reservation. Don't have any reservation. OC. Open category. Yes. Anyone can guess my MSET rank? No. My MSET rank. See, 360 seats out of 360 open category 180 seats. 180 seats. In that, I got the seats. My MSET rank, anyone can guess it. Based on these calculations, 360 seats only computer science engineering. Yes, 180 seats for open category. Okay, then anyone can guess it? Yes, guys. Anyone? No, 20. Why 20th rank? Not 20th rank. Yes, 125. Yes, 125 rank. 125. Yes, 125. See, JNTU Hyderabad. Just last but one seat I got it. After me, one more guy joined. Last but one. Okay. Yes. By the time of reaching my rank here, only two seats were left. By the time of reaching my 125 rank here, only two. At that time, don't have online counseling. Physically, we have to, in person we have to attend. In person, physically attending. Okay. So here, by the time of reaching 125, yes, only two more seats were left. Yes, I have joined. For me, one seat, next one more seat, another guy joined. Lot of competition that time. Lot of competition. Okay. Yes, getting engineering seat is not easy. That time it's not easy. Yes, that time engineering means computer science engineering means almost equal to yes IAS officer. That time engineering seat is very tough because only this much of seats. It's not easy. Okay. Yes. So this is the year. This is 95. Okay, 95. What was happened? 95. I was in engineering second year. Just that time I was learning C language. Okay, 93 to 97 completed. Yes, completed my engineering. Yes, after that, yes, 97 immediately got the job. Yes, first joined with Motorola company. First company Motorola. Joined with Motorola company. Joined with Motorola company. Motorola. Yes, Hyderabad and this company Motorola. Yes. So first initially 1997 to yes 2000 year. Yes, embedded C. Motorola company embedded C. Initially embedded C. Yes, 2000 year started Java career. Java career started. 2000 year Java career. Java. Yes, 2013 started Hadoop. Hadoop and big data. Hadoop, big data. So embedded C. Yes, with Linux. This is embedded C with Linux. Embedded C with Linux. Yes, 2000 year Java career started. To the 2013 Hadoop and big data. Now currently working on all this Linux. Yes, Hadoop big data Java. Yes, for Hadoop and big data compulsory Linux requires. Okay. Yes, next on the Python also. Parallel Python. Yes, as a part of big data projects, started working on Python. So this is my area of experience. Linux, okay, Java, Hadoop, big data, and Python. So this is what was happened in the year 1995. Okay. So JDK 1.0, first version of Java released in the year 1995. Okay. So by that time already yes started my software career. Yes, engineering started already. Okay, before Java releasing the market here, already I was in software field. Okay, 97 job started. 97 job started. Yes, more than 23 years of experience. 23 years of experience. Okay, so this is JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 first version of Java released in the year 1995. Okay, yes, first version of Java. First version of Java. First version of Java released with yes main features released with main features as below. So as below. First version of Java. First version of Java released with main features as below. First one, yes, independence of platform. Independent of platform. So first one, yes, first version of Java. First version of Java from the Sunsoft. First version of Java from the Sunsoft released with main features as below. So released with main features as below. So first one, independent platform. Next, portability. Yes, portability. Independent platform portability. Independent platform portability. Yes, object-oriented programming language. Group language. Okay. Next, scalability and security. Scalability and security. Okay. So first version of Java released with main features as below. Independent platform, portability, yes, group language, scalability and security. So first version of Java. Okay. Yes, next JDK 1.1. JDK 1.1. Yes, released in the year 1996. Okay, 1996. JDK 1.1 released in the year 1996. Okay, yes. See JDK 1.1. JDK 1.1. Yes, JDK 1.1. This one. Yes, JDK 1.1. In this version, Java divided into three editions. Okay, JDK 1.1. Okay, second version of Java. Yes, in JDK 1.1, Java divided into three editions. Initially only three, later fourth edition added. Fourth one is later. Initially only three editions. Okay, JDK 1.1, Java divided into three editions. Three editions. Okay, like see, yesterday we discussed there are four editions, right? The fourth edition later added. Initially only three editions. Initially these three editions. Only these three. Initially, these three editions. Okay. Yes, JDK 1.1, Java divided into three editions. Sunsoft, they have divided into three editions. First one, Java Standard Edition. Next, Java Enterprise Edition. Next, Java Mobile Edition. Okay, Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Mobile Edition. Okay, these three, yes, these three editions initially. Okay, so JDK 1.1. Next after that JDK, yes, JDK 1.1.2. Yes, JDK 1.2. Next JDK 1.3. Next JDK 1.4. Next JDK 1.5. JDK 1.6. Next version JDK 1.7. Next JDK 1.8. This is called as Java 8. Java 8. Java 8. Next Java 9. Yes, from JDK 1.8. Calling it Java 8. Java 8. Java 9. Yes, Java 11 and Java 13. Yes, these things were released in the market. Okay, Java 16 also there, but not released in the market. Okay, yes, just internal released here. They are publishing the website, but not officially. Officially, no one using. Of course, industry using up to 9 only here. 11 and 13, no one using. 11 and 13, no industry not using here. Industry maximum using Java 8. In our company, we are using Java 9. Java 9. Since last two projects, we are using Java 9. Now, current project also we are working on Java 9 here. Yes, our team is very big team. Java team. Yes, around 273 members are there. In our Java team, as on today, 273 members. Very big team. Yes, our team is even update on this. Yes, 11 and 13 also. Yes, everyone updated with this 11 and 13 also. We are ready to work on 11 and 13 also. Suppose any client is asking for 11 and 13, yes, we are ready to work on it. But now currently no one using this is okay. Yes, out of this main focus on Java 8 and 9 features. Main focus. This is very, very important. Main focus on this. Okay. Yes, after that 11 and 13. Up to 13 we'll discuss. Okay, fine. So this is JDK 1.1. Yes, after that 1.2, 1.3. Yes, out of all this. Yes, JDK 1.5. Yes, very, very important version. Okay, JDK 1.5. Yes, very important version here. JDK 1.5. This is called as Tiger version. This is called as Tiger version. JDK 1.5 called as Tiger version. Tiger version. Yes, in Tiger version, many features were added. Many features were added. In Tiger version, many features were added. Many features were added. Many features. Okay. Yes, many features added. Okay, Tiger version. JDK 1.5 called as Tiger version. Tiger version. Tiger version. Yes, it was released. See, it was released in the year released in the year 2004. 2004. Released in the year 2004. Yes, many features were added. In this, many features were added. Yes, many features were added. Yes, even fourth edition. See, fourth edition. Yes, JFX, JavaFX. Yes, JavaFX. So added in this edition here. Added in this version. Added in this version. Okay. Yes, JDK 1.5 called as Tiger version here. It was released in the year 2004. 2004. Yes, many features were added. See, I worked with every version of Java. I have live experience with Java. Every version I worked with. I know the every version features here. I worked with every version. Okay. Yes, fourth edition JavaFX added in this version here. In this version, JavaFX, right? Yes, finally, yes, Java divided into 4 editions. Java divided into 4 editions here. 4 editions. Java divided into 4 editions. 4 editions. These three plus fourth one FX. JFX, Java FX here. Okay. Yes. Java SE. Yes. Initially it was called a JTSE. Next, Java Enterprise. Initially it was called J2EE. JME. Initially called a JTME. So initial release. These all are calling as J2SE, J2E, JTME, JTME. Okay. Next version. Yes, in fourth edition added in 1.5. Is simply called as Java FX. Don't hear JTFX, not JTFX, just Java FX. Java FX. Java FX here. Java FX. Java FX. Java FX. So what is Java's transition? So what is Java Enterprise? What is mobilization? All these editions we'll discuss. We'll discuss now. Okay. Yes. So finally here Java divided into 4 editions. Okay. See, Java got the success. Java got the success with JDK 1.5 version here. JDK 1.5 version. Okay, finally Java got the success. Java got the success with JDK 1.5 because of its features. 1.5. Okay, JDK 1.5. Java got the success. Yes, to become success, how many years it was taking? To become success, how many years? Let us check it. JDK 1.4 released in year 2004. 1.5 2004. Initial version, yes, 1995. 1995. Okay. 1 second. Let me remove this. This is my profile. Why this is? See. So initially, yes, in year 1995. Java released in year 1995. Finally got the success in year 2004. Yes, almost taken for 10 years, right? 10 years. Okay. Yes, over a period of 10 years. Just over a period of 10 years, it has become success. It's taken 10 years. See, 10 years means it's not a small period. Yes, very, very long this one. Yes, very long. Okay, 10 years. See, 10 years. Suppose you guys working for 10 years. Definitely life gets success. Yes, see, just choosing one field and working for 10 years. Consistently working for 10 years. Yes, if you worked in any area, yes, any area consistently for yes 10 years, yes, getting success automatically. The thing is you have to choose the correct field. Yes, initial itself correct field means trending field. So choosing trending field and long career field. Trending as well long career. Yes, you have to choose the field and you have to work towards. Yeah. Okay, so choose some particular field. So once you work for 10 years, definitely getting success. 10 years of work experience. Okay, 10 years of work experience, definitely getting success. So about 21 years completing engineering. Yes, by the time of reaching 30 years age, yes, getting experience. Very good experience. Getting 30 years, yes, very good experience. So almost 10 years of experience. Okay, from as after getting 10 years of experience, starting your earnings, starting yes, more salary and good companies. Yes, you will be yes, raising as a leader working maybe as a leader. So growth 10 years experience means yes, as a leader bring okay a lot of earnings. So 10 years enough to get the success. Okay, yes. Next year. So this is like Java, you guys are the 10 years enough. Okay. So Java got the success with JDK 1.5. So almost it was taken for 10 years. Okay, fine. Now this here Java's transition. So what is Java's transition? Java's transition. Yes. So this is Java technology. This is Java just you said Java technology here. Java technology. It says Java technology. Java's transition. Java technology means your course. So Java's transition. Java technology. It's your course. See, 1 second. Let me copy and paste. Yes, this one. Yes, Java transition, your course. Java technology. So this is your course, complete course. Okay, complete course. SE, Java standardization, Java technology. So learning Java technology. Okay, like core part of Java and all of your syllabus. This is syllabus. Okay, next. Yes, next Java enterprise. See, mobilization, this is not in use. Not in use. This is not in use. Okay. Yes, even effects of these are not in use. Yes, not in use. Not in use. So mobilization, this area, Android is a best suitable, and industry using Android. Okay. Visual effects, yes. Java effects, these for visual effects. Visual. This is for visual effects. Visual effects. Visual effects. This is for visual effects. Okay, visual effects. Yet this area, Premiere software. Premiere software. Premiere software and Maya software. And Maya software. These are using in this area. Just movies, visual effects. Okay, visual effects, movies, in movies, visual effects, Premiere software and Maya software they are using here. Industry using these things here. Java is not using in this area. Okay. So Java standardization is a Java technology, means your course. Now let us say about the Enterprise Edition. What is Enterprise Edition? Java Enterprise Edition. See Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Okay. Yes. What is Java Enterprise Edition? Using for what? This is for application development. Yeah, this is for the application development here. For the applications development. Application. Yes, application development. Application development. Okay. See apps. Yes. There are different apps. Yes, we are using in our daily life. Like Facebook is an application, right? WhatsApp. Yes, WhatsApp is an application. Yes, WhatsApp is an application. Okay, Flipkart. Yes, Flipkart, they are applications, right? Like this, many applications we are using in our daily life. Okay, this kind of application developments. Okay, yes, this is using for yes internet-based application developments here. Internet-based applications. Yes, almost all internet-based applications developed in Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition is application development. Okay. Yes, applications for example. Yes, internet-based applications. Internet-based applications. All the internet-based applications. Okay. Yes. See, all frameworks comes from this area. All frameworks. Yes, all frameworks comes from this area. All frameworks. All Java frameworks. Java frameworks. See, what are the Java frameworks? First one, yes, Struts framework. Yes, what is framework? We'll discuss now. What is framework? We'll discuss. Struts framework. Yes, Struts framework. Okay. Next, Spring and Hibernate. Spring and Hibernate framework. Spring and Hibernate framework. Spring and Hibernate framework. Yes, next. Yes, Hadoop. Yes, Hadoop framework. Hadoop framework. Okay. Yes, Hadoop framework. The next. Yes, Spark framework. Spark framework. Yes, next one more Ignite framework, but not release the market here. Ignite framework. Ignite framework. Yes, next. Yes, Spring Boot and microservices. There are different frameworks in Java. So these are different frameworks. Yes, first of all, what is a framework? What's a framework? Yes. Question is, yes, what is a framework? What is a framework? That's a question. What's a framework? See, framework. Yes, it is a ready-made one. It's a ready-made one. Okay, ready-made one. Yes, it's a collection of predefined classes. It's a collection of predefined classes. All the predefined classes are there. Predefined classes. It's a collection of predefined classes. Okay, ready-made one. Yes, it is ready to use. ready to use without writing code, without writing code here, without writing code. Yes, without writing code, without writing code. Okay, so ready-made and ready to use without writing any code here, without writing, so without writing any code. Okay, suppose for example, see, for example, yes, database connection, database coding, database code. For example, database codes. Java application connect to database. Java application connect to database. Reading data from database and data processing. Yeah, this is around 60 to 70 lines of code. 60 to 70 lines of code. Okay, 60 to 70 lines. Database code. 60 to 70 lines of code. Like yes, like loading driver, getting connection, next initialization, next sending query and getting response, and data processing using value, next finally closing connections, all these different validations, all these around 60 to 70 lines code. 60 to 70 lines code. Yeah, that much of code you can avoid. That much of code you can avoid using this Hibernate frameworks. Using this one Hibernate framework in this area. Yes, ready-made code available here. Okay. Yes, Hibernate framework, using that you can connect database automatically here. So 60 to 70 lines of code is not necessary. Yes, you can avoid the code. So using framework here, advantage of framework here. Yes, advantage of frameworks. Yes, we can reduce the code. We can reduce the code. Okay, we can reduce the code. Okay, next. See, we can build the application. We can build the app. Yes, app within short time. Within short time, we can build it short. That is main advantage. Reducing code. We can reduce the code. Okay. So advantage of frameworks, you can reduce the code. Need to write much coding here. Ready-made class available. Take all the ready-made classes. Here. Plug into our projects and build the projects. Yes, we can build the applications. We can build the apps. Okay. We can build the apps. Yes, within short time here. That is main advantage. Okay. Yes. Next here. Suppose if you're writing your code as a developer, if you're writing code here, yes, after development of code here, after building project here, yes, release to client location. Yes, at client location, there is chance of raising some bugs. Okay. Yes, even tested here, still getting bugs at the client location. Suppose if you developed your code here, your code will be generating lot of bugs because of lack of experience. Yes, you may not be experienced one, right? Because of lack of experience here, that code may be generating lot of bugs in live. But if code is ready-made code like this, ready-made code, already developed code, means already tested code. Okay, so that will reduce the number of bugs. So with that ready-made code here, we can reduce the number of bugs. Means easy to maintain the projects. Bug fixing. Okay, see here in live. Yes, after go to live here. Yes, project maintenance, it's support. That is support team will do that. So maintenance of our project is very simple here. Yes, advance of frameworks, we can reduce the code. Next, we can build the projects within short time. Okay, short time. Yes, and also easy to maintain the applications. Maintenance easy here because of less number of bugs raising here. Easy to maintain the app. That is the advantage of framework. Okay, one second. I'll tell you one example. For easy, what is exactly framework? To understand that, I'll tell you one example. Suppose, see here, bridges construction. For example, bridges construction. Yes. Very old days, what was happening here? Old days. Yes, laying pillars. Yes, raising pillars. raising pillars. Okay, next, on top of pillars, yes, laying bridge, right? Laying bridge. That is old style. Okay, so old, very old is, yes, raising pillars, on top of pillars, laying bridge, right? That is old style. Now new style, latest style. Yes, nowadays. Okay. Yes, recent days. What is happening? Recent days. What is happening here? Just raising pillars enough. Raising pillars. This part is enough. Okay. Yes, laying bridge is not necessary. Okay. Here, ready-made blocks available. Ready-made blocks available. Raising pillars. Yes, on top of it. Yes, on top of pillars. Just on top of pillars. Yes, just assembling blocks. Just assembling. Yes, assembling blocks. Just assembling the ready-made blocks. Yes, within short time they are finishing bridges here. So laying bridge, it will take years to get that time here. Yes, old style, that will take 2 to 3 years to finish a bridge. But nowadays, within 3 to 4 months or 6 months, they are finishing bridges construction. Yes, reason here, just simply they are assembling blocks, ready-made blocks. Ready-made blocks are assembling. See, recent in Hyderabad. Yes, COVID time, last year, COVID time. Yes, 6 months period, 6 to 8 months periods. That period, yes, almost around 5 to 6 bridges were constructed within short time. Yes, that they have used all ready-made blocks. Ready-made blocks. That is advantage of ready-made blocks here. Same framework is exactly like that. Yes, ready-made code is already available. Taking the classes, ready-made classes available. Taking all the classes, plug in and building your projects. See, recently 2017, we have developed on GST projects, GST projects, GST projects, GST projects. Okay, for our company, Silitech Private Limited. Silitech Private Limited, we have developed on GST project. Okay, yes, just within 3 months completed. Within 3 months only completed. Yes, within 3 months completed. Completed. Yes, complete. It is using, yes, completed using these two frameworks, Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Yes, using these two frameworks, complete within 3 months, including testing, 2 months development, 1 month testing, and released the GST product in the market. Yes, many clients purchased. GST submission purpose. GST submission purpose. Many copies they sold out. Okay, many copies sold out here. Okay, many customers are there for our GST products. Within 3 months only completed because very urgent. 2017 GST projects. GST that time very hot. Within 3 months finished and delivered to different clients. Okay, yes, within 3 months. How we are able to finish within 3 months? Because of these frameworks. That is advantage of frameworks. That is advantage of frameworks. Okay, that is advantage of Spring and frameworks here. Spring and Hibernate frameworks advantage. Spring and Hibernate. Okay, yes. See here, yes, 90% of, yes, 90% of, yes, internet-based applications, internet-based apps, yes, were developed, yes, developed using Spring and Hibernate framework. Using these frameworks, 90% is of internet-based apps were developed using, yes, Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Okay, yes, not only internet, yes, internet-based applications here. Now, currently, industry, see, currently, yes, currently industry, yes, industry facing, industry facing, yes, big data challenges. Currently industry, see, currently, yes, industry, yes, present situation, yes, currently industry facing, yes, big data challenges. Okay, top 10,000 companies facing big data challenges. Okay, top 10,000 companies. Okay, companies, yes, top 10,000 companies facing big data challenges. So facing big data challenges. This big data challenges. Big data challenge like storage, mainly storage problem. Big data. For example, Facebook generating huge amount of data every day. Facebook generating huge amount of data. Yes, around 4 petabytes of data generating. Yes, YouTube generating 3 petabytes of data per day. Yes, YouTube 3 petabytes of data. Facebook, YouTube. Next, stock exchange applications, power grids. Next, yes, aeroplanes, black boxes. Next, banking applications, mobile applications. Okay. Yes. Next, Walmart. Next, LinkedIn. Next, Google, Gmail. Huggies. Many companies facing big data issues. Many applications generating lot of data every day. Big data. So big data challenges like storage. How to store huge amount of data? Storage problem. Storage and processing. Yes, big data processing is not easy. Small data can be processed, but big data storage and processing is not easy here. Storage and processing, they are the issues here. Yes, this issue. Yes. So how industry solve this issue here? So what's the solution for the big data challenges? Hadoop. Their solution, Hadoop and Spring framework. Sorry, Hadoop and Spark. Okay, these frameworks, Hadoop and Spark. Yes, this area I have completed 4 projects. Hadoop and Spark framework are the solutions. Solutions for big data. Yes, big data challenges. Hadoop and Spark frameworks are solutions for big data. Big data challenges. So for big data challenges. So these are also developed in Java. Okay. So even big data solution also Java giving best solution. Yes, even for big data challenges also Java giving best solution. Okay. Yes. See, these are the frameworks here in this. See how Struts framework almost outdated. No one using this framework, almost outdated. Yes, Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Next, Spring Boot and microservices currently running to develop the internet-based applications. Okay, next, these are big data frameworks. Of course, Ignite also big data framework, but not at release. Okay, so these 3 frameworks for big data. Next, these are for online applications, all the internet-based applications. Okay, so 90% of internet-based applications were developed using Spring and Hibernate frameworks. So 90% of internet-based applications were developed in Java. Yes, even big data applications. Yes, no alternative for this. Only Java. Okay, the one and only Java provides solution for the big data challenges. Okay, yes. See here. Yes, in market. Yes, current scenario. Yes, Java current. Yes, current scenario. What is current situation? Okay. Yes, current market. Yes, current market, software markets. See, 80% of apps developed in Java. 80% of apps developed in Java. 80% of current markets in the current market here. Present situation of Java. What is present situation of Java? Okay. Yes, 80% of applications developed in Java here. Yes, 1 second. Current market we'll discuss next. So these are the frameworks. Okay, these are the frameworks. They are the frameworks using for different purpose. Okay. Yes. 1 second. See, by the year 2010. Yes, by the year 2010, 90% of existing applications, 90% of existing apps were migrated to Java. By the year 2010 means 10 years ago only it was happened. 10 years ago. By the year 2010, 90% of existing apps were migrated to Java. Okay. Why? So many reasons, various reasons. See, existing apps. What are the existing apps? Yes, 2010. Yes, existing apps. These are Visual Basic applications. Next, VC++ applications. Next, .NET applications. .NET apps. Okay. Next, C and C applications. Next, SAP and Oracle. Yes, ERP applications, ERP apps. Okay. See here existing apps. Visual Basic, VC++, .NET apps. Next, C and C++. Next, SAP and Oracle ERP apps. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Yet these applications were migrated to Java. Reason. What's the reason here? See, Visual Basic, VC++, .NET apps. Yet these technologies from the Microsoft. Yes, these technologies are from the Microsoft here. Microsoft. Yes, Microsoft technologies. What the disadvantage? See, disadvantage with Microsoft technologies. Yes, anyone idea? Disadvantage with Microsoft technologies is OS dependent, Windows dependent. They are Windows dependent. Yes, Windows dependent. These will not work with other systems. Windows dependent. Okay, here disadvantage of Microsoft technologies. Windows dependent. Windows. So what is disadvantage with Windows OS here? Windows. What is disadvantage with Windows OS? Windows is not a secure OS. Yes, this is well known for everyone. Windows is not a secure OS. Okay, see, Windows is not a secure OS. Windows OS, chance of hacking data and chance of virus. Windows OS is not a secure. Chance of hacking data and chance of virus. Windows is not secure. Okay, see, Linux is a secure OS. Yes, Linux is secure OS. Yes, 2010, by the year 2010, yes, Linux is most popular. Yes, more popularity. Linux 1999 released in the market. Linux 1999. Okay. Yes, by the year 2010. Yes, by the year 2010. Yes, RHEL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux got lot of proper. Yes, got lot of popularity here. Lot of popularity. Yes, lot of popularity. Yes. Popularity, yes, because of security reasons. Lot of popularity reasons here. Secure Linux is secure ways. Yes, popularity with security reasons here. Yes, Linux ways. Linux, yes, is a virus free. It's virus free operation. Linux is a virus free ways. Virus free and hacker free. Yes, there is no virus free and hackers free. Yes, hackers free. Yes, there is no chance of virus. With Linux base, there is no chance of virus. Antivirus software is not necessary with Linux base. Virus free, no chance of virus, no chance of hackers. Because Linux permissions concept is available. Without permissions, no one can access our file system. No one can access. Linux is secure. Okay. Yes. Since Linux is secure here. Most of the clients, yes, migrated to Linux base. Linux because of security reasons. Linux base, right? Yes, Linux base. So what are that application? That application has to run on Linux base. See, suppose if these applications cannot. Yes, these applications cannot run on Linux base. Windows dependent. Since these are Windows dependent here, now most of the clients, these applications, Visual Basic, VC++, .NET, these application clients, yes, migrate because Java is a independent platform. Okay, Yes, since Java Java is an independent platform, independent of independent of platform. Yes, platform. Most of the clients migrated Java. Okay, so most of the clients migrated Java, migrated Java. Java is independent of platform. Java application running anywhere. Linux based, Unix based, Solaris based, Mac based, anywhere running. Okay, so because of independent of platform, yeah, these clients migrated Java here. So here there is a dependency, platform dependency, Windows based. Since Windows is not a secure OS, all Windows based apps were migrated Java. That's the reason here. Next, C and C++. When come to C and C++ apps, C and C++ apps. Yes, in this, yes, GA developments. Okay, GA developments is not available. GA developments, GA developments, GA developments. This facility is not a GA development is not available. Is not available. Is not available. Is not available. Okay, GA means this is GA, graphical user interface. This is GA, like a forms, like registration form, login form. Yes, C and C++, we don't have this kind of facility. Okay, so that's the reasons why C and C++ applications developed migrate to Java. GA, that interface not available, not available C and C++. C and C++ suitable for only for embedded C, embedded programming, like device drivers, writing device drivers, networking related gateways. Yes, hardware programming. So hardware C and C++ recommended, not GA based applications. Okay. Yes. So because of this reason, these applications were migrated to Java. These applications were migrated to Java. Okay. Next, other applications, SAP and Oracle ERP. SAP and Oracle ERP. Yes. These are costly. They are costly. Yes. More paying licensing. Licensing is costly here. So these are licensing costly. Licensing costly. Yes. Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware. It's free of cost to finish. Need not to pay anything. Java is a freeware. Okay, Java is a freeware. So you can need not to pay anything here. Since it's a freeware, anyone can use that here. So like, these are different reasons. There are different reasons, various reasons to migrate to Java. So by the year 2010, 90% of existing apps were migrated to Java. Okay, migrated to Java. See, in the year 2010, what was happened here? In the year 2010, yes, Sunsoft taken over. Sunsoft was taken over. Taken over by the Oracle Corporation. In the year 2010, Sunsoft was taken over by the Oracle Corporation. After taking over by the Oracle Corporation, Java has become leader. Okay, Java has become leader. Yes, leader. After taken over by the Oracle Corporation, because of maybe publicity and all this various reasons. Okay. Yes, Java has become leader. Yes, after taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Okay, fine. Now, current markets. So what's a current market here? Current markets. See, 80% of apps are developed in Java. Like internet-based applications. Yes, almost all the banking applications, every bank applications developed in Java. Trading applications developed in Java. Online shopping applications developed in Java. Okay, next. Like this, many applications, company websites. See, worldwide, how many companies in the world? Yes, around 200 countries are there. 200 countries. How many applications? See, many companies, right? There are many lakhs of companies. Lakhs of companies. Every company website required, right? Yes, every company website required. Next, schools. How many schools? Lakhs of schools. Yes, all these schools using websites, colleges websites, schools, colleges, companies. Okay, like this many kind of food delivery apps. Okay, yes, like merchants, traders. Okay, yes, all this everyone using applications nowadays. All these applications for developed in Java, and almost all 90% of that internet-based applications developed in Java. Even big data applications, Java. Yes, no other solution, only Java is solution, big data applications. So 90% of apps, that means lakhs, yes, lakhs of apps developed, lakhs of apps developed in Java. Okay, lakhs of developed in Java, lakhs of apps. Okay, yes, to support lakhs of, to support, yes, lakhs of apps, lakhs of apps. How many Java resources required? That's a question. Yes, to support lakhs of applications. See, each application minimum 10 resource required. Minimum 10 resources. Maintenance purpose. Lakhs of applications. Yes, like maintaining application, maintaining database, maintaining, yes, operating systems, maintaining network and all this, right? Yes, to run one application. Yes, application resource required many resources. How many resources required here? Yes, applications in lakhs of applications. Lakhs of applications. How many resources required? Yes, millions of resources. Resources in millions. Millions of resources. Millions of Java resources required. Millions of Java resources. Millions of Java resources. Millions of Java resources required here. Java resources required. Yes, that's the reason Java has become evergreen. So why Java has become evergreen? See, since last 6 to 8 months, lot of demand increased in Java. Many companies taking Java resources since last 8 months. Since last 8 months here, yes, Java. Since last, there's a lot of huge requirement in Java. Before 8 months, industry taken some Python, but Python no use. Industry tried with Python here, but it has become useless compared to Java. Again, Java started requirements. See, it's a fact. Last year, yes, before COVID, Python lot of requirements. That 1 year, 1 or 2 years, 2 years of period, lot of requirement at Python. Industry started using Python. Yes, Python not giving much features. So industry, yes, leaving Python now. Now again started using Java. Yes, again since last 1 year, last 8 to 10 months, a lot of requirement is there in Java here. See, just observe it. Just you ask your friends who are already working on Java. Just ask them. Now, since last 8 months, Java increasing, day by day increasing here. Lot of openings are there. Okay, now Java is the leader in the market. Okay, see, between Java and other technologies, is a lot of gap. Between Java, see, Java 8 90% is. Java 8 90% is. Yes, others at, yes, 40% is only here at this range. So between 40 and 90, 40 and 90, there's a lot of gap, right? Yes, Java, there's a lot of gap between, yes, other technology and Java technology. There's a lot of gap. There's a lot of gap. There's a lot 40 and 90. There's a lot of gap between Java and other technologies. Okay. Now Java is the leader in the market here. So millions of Java resources required here. Okay, this is present requirement. Present market. Present market is millions of Java resources required here. Present market. Okay. See, that history, Java history expands from the release. Since from the release, what was happened? See, all this my experience. This is my live experience. See, most of the trainers Most of the times, this history they will copy from the Google, from different sites. They will present, but for me, not necessarily. I worked actually. Why copying from Google? Yes, my experience is more than Google. Yes. See, this kind of concepts you can't get anywhere in Google. No website provide this much, this kind of history and all this. This is my live experience. Yes, whatever I worked, the same thing I'm present here. See, I'm not doing something extra for you guys. Okay. For see, to explain the class, some extra preparation is not required for me. Okay. Yes, to explain for you, extra preparation is not necessary. My experience is enough. My experience is enough here. Yes, is all this my live experience I'm presenting you. Since 1995 to today, what was happening in Java? What was happened Java? How Java has become leader? All the reasons explained. Yes, even current today market also explained. Today market about Java. Today market about Java. Yes, feature. What's a feature of Java? Now this is question. Feature of Java. Feature of Java. What's a feature? Yes. See, what will be the feature technology? Feature technology. Yes, anyone? Anyone idea? What will be the feature technology? Anyone idea? Yes. What will be the feature technology? What are you observing? Yes, use case don't say Python. Almost Python gone on the market. Now Java is trending. Python only 2 years recruitment was done. Yes, last 2 years before COVID, Python lot of recruitment is there. Now it's gone Python. Yes, very less recruitment in Python. Now currently Java going on. Yes, what will be the feature technology? Feature technology. I'm asking about feature technology. Feature technology, AI, artificial intelligence. Feature is AI, AI based. Feature is completely AI based. So what? AI based, artificial intelligence, AI based. Okay. Yes, AI based means manual operations not necessary. Just AI, it will recognize the speech. Recognizing speech. Suppose car. Suppose yes, you want to get down from the car. You have to unlock the car. Yes, you have to unlock door and opening door, right? But not necessary. Just speech enough. Just you speak. Please open the door. Okay. Please open the door. Yes, for door purpose, one keyword will be special keyword. For each and every parts have one keyword. When you speak about that keyword, that door will open. Okay. That is AI. AI. It's a speech recognition completely here. See, suppose go to training app. Yes, to connect to go to training app here, what you did, you have opened browser. In browser, yes, some link submitted and opened a form. The details all is provided and registered after connected. Yes, it taken almost for 2 minutes, right? Yes, around 2 minutes it was taken. But with AI, this is not required. Yes, AI based tool will connect to go to training app automatically here. Just you speak it, connect to so and so app. Just you see that will connect to app automatically here. So this all this manually submission, manually yes connecting all this not necessary. That is AI. That is AI feature of AI. Okay. So AI feature is AI. So when it comes here AI based, yes maybe yes now AI just in introduction stage only. Just AI just recently introduced here at the beginning stage. Yes, in US little bit started AI. Yes, India don't have. In India don't have AI. Okay. Yes, here maybe yes next to 5 to 6 years. Okay, maybe yes 2026 or 2028 that period getting AI. Okay, so by the year 2030, AI may be leader. AI, yes, will be the leader. Will be the leader. Okay, AI 2030 means how many years? Till 10 more, 10 more years, 10 more years. Okay, so about 2030, by the 2030, AI is the leader. So your existing clients, all clients, Java clients have to move to AI, right? Yes. Even AI is the leader here. Yes, all existing clients immediately they will not move to yes AI based applications. Immediately clients will not move because they have to spend a lot of amount and time taken to move. They will not take in risk because Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware. Okay, free of cost using. Yes, when clients are comfortable with Java without any expenditure, when clients are comfortable with Java, so why moving to AI based? Yes, here AI based advantage is here manpower reducing, lot of manpower reducing. Okay, AI based. Once AI based come to the market here, lot of manpower reducing. Okay, so automation, the day by day increasing complete automation. Everything is get automated. Lot of manpower reducing. That is advantage of AI based. Suppose any client wanted to reduce their manpower, they will migrate to AI. That is advantage of migrating to AI. Lot of manpower, lot of resources. See Java applications, Java engineers and other engineers, many engineers required, right? Yes, that manpower reducing with AI here. Okay, so by 2030 here, AI will be the leader here, even leader here. Immediately, all the clients may not be migrating to AI. Okay, suppose still migrating here. Yes, it will take another 3 years, maybe 2033. 2033, yes, migrating to yes, migrating yes, migrating to yes, migrating to AI, migrating to AI, yes, migrating to AI. See, here the person yes who worked in Java, see, who worked in Java for 10 years, 10 years. Yes, they can adapt yes any new technology very easily here. Any new technology very easy. That is the advantage of Java. Yes, Java is tough compared to any other softwares. Something Java tough. So who worked in Java for 10 years, they can adapt any new technology easily here. Easily. That is yes, Java. Easily they can adapt. They can migrate to new technology very easily here. You guys worked for 10 years on Java. Suppose any new technology comes. Yes. Within matter of 1 month, you can update, you can change new technology here. Suppose other guys, other field guys, for them it's not easy to migrate. Not easy to migrate. See, for example, here, I'll tell you one scenario, big data, big data, big data situation. Yes, big data challenges, big data. Here that in 2010, big data started 2010. The guys who worked in Java, they migrated Java. Most of the Java guys, they started working on how to run big data. Others now unable to change to big data applications. Only Java is able to change it. Okay. Yes, really if you worked in Java for 10 years, really if you who worked in Java for 10 years, they can, they can adapt. They can adapt other technologies very easily. That is advantage. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So it's a evergreen field, long career. Evergreen field, long career and highly pay in the market here. Highly pay. Okay. Yes. Highly pay in the market here. Evergreen field. Okay. Next, highly respect in the company. Also, Java team will have the highly respect in the market. Okay. Yes. How many years Java language will continue? Yes. Your generation will finish. For your generation, no doubt. For next 30 years, no doubt in Java. Next 30 years means your gen. See, my generation almost completed. My generation, 20 years I worked in Java. Okay, your generation next 20 years. Enough. The 20 years software field. See, software engineer working for 20 years. That's it, not more than that. Next 20 years, your 20 years. For your generation, no doubt. Okay, for next 20 years, no doubt about Java. Okay, yes. So this is about history of Java. Okay, next present situation and future. That's all. So this is about Java introduction. That's all about Java introduction. That's all about Java introduction. Okay. Yes. Next, tomorrow class starting these features. Independent of platform, portability, hoop language, scalability, and security. Tomorrow about Java features. 1 second. See, for our batch, yes, today I'm creating WhatsApp group today night. Yes, many guys shared their details. Yes, almost more than 15 members, I think 10 to 15 members shared their details today and yesterday. Okay, these are all is, yes, these are all is Java guys only. Without name. Yes, I have to create that. Yes, more than 10 members. Yes. So I'll create group. Yes, you guys don't worry. Today I'll create group. Today night I'll create the group. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. Yes, 8179 Still anyone to share your details, share it here. Yes, your name. Yes, next your Gmail ID. Wait for sharing all this Gmail ID. See, for the next 3 days, I'll share all in WhatsApp group. Okay. For next 3 days. For next 3 days, I'll share in WhatsApp group. Next from Friday onwards, I'll create a drive for your batch. Separate drive. From Friday, I'll create a drive. So by that time, I'll share in the WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group. Like see currently. Suppose 8:30 a.m. Yes, that initially first recordings and all this sharing the group. See this. Fourth session, fifth session, up to 5 sessions shared in the group care. Later created yes drive from through the drive sharing. Yes, take this. This is my WhatsApp number. Share your details. I'll add it. Today night I will create the group. From tomorrow, yes, communicating in the group. Yes, anytime you can ping me. Any doubt you can ask me. Anytime you can ping me. Yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah, that's all for today. Yes. Today, lot of information given to you. That all is my experience, my live experience. Lot of information shared with you. Okay. Yeah, this day one, day two. These two things I'll share in the group. Okay. These two things I'll share. Okay. Yes, any doubts? If no doubts, let us wind up session. Yes, 1 hour and 40 minutes taken class. Yes. Yeah, my classes will be like this exactly 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour means 1.5 hour class. Okay. Most of the trainers they will join lately and finishing 5 minutes early. Yes, sir. Yes, in market, most of the trainers taking only 40 minutes class. Only 40 and 45 minutes. But my case is not like 1.5 hour class, strictly 1.5 hour class. Yes. Yeah, that's all for today. Yes, any doubts? If no doubts, let us wind up session for today. No doubts. If no doubts, let us wind up session for today. Yes, see, when you want to speak, yes, I can unmute. If you want to speak, ping me, I can unmute. Suppose if I unmuted, what happens here? See the disturbance, lot of disturbance getting, right? Background noise. See, someone is giving disturbance, lot of disturbance getting. So that's the reason just muted everyone today. Yes, if you want to speak it, if you want to speak, just I will unmute. You can speak. Just ping me in chat box. Ping me in chat box. I will unmute. You can speak it. Okay. See about your course, duration of the class. See, 1 second. This is about your course. About your course. Course hour 3 months, 90 days. 3 months, 90 days. 1.5 hour class, 75 sessions. Monday to Saturday classes. Most of the trainers are taking only Monday to Friday class. Monday to Friday. See here, Monday to Friday. Yes, most of the trainers. Yes, Monday to Friday. And 60 days only. 60 days only their duration. But my duration is 90 days. Monday to Friday, 60 days. 1 hour class. Monday to Friday. Means weekly 5 days. Weekly 5 hours. Weekly 5 hours, right? Yes, 60 days. How many weeks? 60 days means 4, 5, yes, 8. Yes, 8 weeks. Hardly 9 weeks. 9 weeks. So 9 into 5, 45 days. 45 hours, sorry, 45 hours class. 9 weeks. Yes, Monday to Friday. Yes, Monday to Friday means 5 days, 5 into 9, 45 hours class. But my case is 90. Yes, see 90 days, 75 sessions. 75 into 90 minutes. Yes, 90 minutes is equal to almost 120 hours getting. Almost around 120 hours. Around 120. Not exactly, around 120. Yes, where is 45 hours, where is 120? Nowhere campus. Okay, suppose 45 minutes class taken. Can I give this much of information in 45 minutes? Yes, I can't do. Yes, I could not. Okay, in that case, I can't give this much of information here. 45 minutes is enough. 45 minutes. Yes, I can't get this much of information because of more than 1.5 hour taken class. Okay, that's the reason able to give this much of information. Yeah, that's all for today. Yes. Any doubts? Yes, see my classes nowhere comparison. My classes syllabus nowhere comparison. Way of teaching nowhere comparison. My dedication also nowhere comparison. No holidays. Very strictly taking classes. Next, one more thing, interactive classes. My class are interactive classes, not one way. Yes, 99% trainers in only one way. They will teach you how to listen, but they will not listen your doubts. Okay. Yes, here my class are interactive classes. Just you ask your friends, anyone who Java in my batches, just you ask them, then you can decide it. Yeah, that's all for today. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great night.